To use Apple Pay with multiple cards, start by opening the Wallet app on your Apple device. This app allows you to store and manage your credit or debit cards, as well as other forms of payment and loyalty cards. First, you need to add a card to the Wallet app. To do this, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Continue and follow the prompts to add your card information. You will need to take a picture of your card or enter the card details manually. Once you have added a card, you can add additional cards by repeating the same process. You can add up to 8 cards to the Wallet app, including credit cards, debit cards, and prepaid cards. To switch between cards, open the Wallet app and tap on the card you want to use. You can also change the default card by going to the Settings app, then Wallet and Apple Pay, and selecting the default card. When you are ready to make a payment, hold your device near the contactless reader with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor. You will see a confirmation of the payment on the screen, along with the card used to make the payment. You can also use Apple Pay with multiple cards on other devices, such as your Apple Watch. To do this, open the Watch app on your iPhone. Then tap on the Wallet and Apple Pay tab and follow the prompts to add your cards. To manage your cards, go to the Wallet app and tap on the card you want to manage. From here, you can view your transaction history, see your card details, and remove the card from the Wallet app. Best practices for using Apple Pay with multiple cards include keeping your device and cards secure, monitoring your transaction history, and keeping your cards up to date. By following these steps, you can easily use Apple Pay with multiple cards and take advantage of the convenience and security of mobile payments.